get this shit done.
Hey there, what's going on?
I have no time.
What do you mean?
I mean, just look at my schedule.
That is crazy. My schedule used to look like that too. But I mean, Beth, you got stress?
Yeah.
You got time?
No.
Well, there's this workshop going on. It's only once a month.
But I can, where am I supposed to fit it in?
Well, it is once a month and it's from 12 to 1.
So I could schedule ahead of time.
Yeah. It's right on there.
And it's lunchtime.
Yeah. And they'll provide snacks there for you guys.
Yes! I'm totally looking into this. When are the dates? Give them to me.
Dates are January 23rd, 2019 from 12 to 1 p.m. February 27th from 2019, same time, 12 to 1. March 27, 2019.
Nice.
And then the last one's April 24th, 2019.
Okay, now I have multiple dates. I can look in that. Do they have any other helpful things?
Of course they do. They have these 2 other workshops. They're Empowerment for Success workshops.
I'll have to
Check
look
them
into
out.
those. There's really good stuff here.